Emma, no below today, ke bido nwebe the concept of enwelo mmụọ. Na mmadụ enwelo mmụọ, na mmadụ just bulu carton. No essence, no contact with the supernatural, no authority with the metaphysical. I have a friend whose great grandfather died young, yeah, but he already had boys, right? So now one of the sons, so basically a great grand uncle of this my friend, yeah, had to now, because even after their father died, he had a son, and the son died. His own brother also had a son, which is now the great grandfather of this guy, yeah, also had sons or something, and they also died, right? So now that uncle now went from somewhere in modern day Imo State to somewhere in modern day Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Jebaba na Amadioha, Alusi Ikenga. So before they had this more, they were just human. Had just bolo mmadu na amadu yale. Ha we jebaba na more na for we je chota Alusi Ikenga we baba nia. Nwe anwudebe. Nwa nwanne nwoke anwudebe. Ezinụlọ fa nwe more. Now, what Christianity has succeeded in doing now again is that people now lapoka mmụọ fa alo emebekwa alo ebidokwa n'isi mebe mmadụ bịa ọma mmelo owe ya, one of the random particle, Brownian Motion, random particle will collide into him, Ingo die maka na onwelo mmụọ, onwelo any guide ga onwelo ka o si kwado. Now this generation again, now this my lad now gas go start to the realign with Mmụọ Ikenga Amadioha. So another thing with this thing now come bring now be how mad, how nonsensical, make one sense. The concept of Osu being an outcast is what the foolish or make no sense, guy, make no sense, guy, at all. Guy, ana ababa na mmụọ. So now I agwam na theater, I agwam na this my like it no make one sense. Ana ababa na mmụọ, okay, me now we deal with my widow. Like ana ababa na mmụọ, so I go come talk say people way, you know what I'm saying? I mean, apart from maybe person way maybe they do but maybe they do something, maybe they kill person or something. But even that, like, make the person get them on top in your head. Now when guys go to your children, come start the call person. So that all those things now Christianity create that thing. Because obviously, say, I might even tell you why Christianity go create that thing. Because obviously, those people will be Osu Aro, for example, Osu Alusi, Osudo, for example. Is there a name like Osudo? There will be. So those people now with their name go something like Osudo. Obviously, they very strong. They very connected to more. If you play with them, if we are nayagi. So the Christianity actually, and the warrant chief actually. But yeah, in summary, imagine how wise our ancestors did to align with entities where they watch their back. Imagine how intelligent they did to align with entities where they pattern Brownian Motion, where they control Brownian Motion in their favor. Brownian Motion is not random. I don't know where Abomination.